Hey everyone, in this video, we will learn how the if function works in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin. So what does the if function mean? It means that if this is true, then type this, or if not, then type this. Let's learn from the example. So here we have a data of students, name, their marks, their city, and their age. Now we need to find how many of them have passed the test or failed the test. This is where the if function is used. Here we will type if the marks are lower than 10, then he is failing the exam. If not, then he has passed the exams. Now press enter. Now you see the student named Alice has passed the test. To see the data for all students, just drag this down and you will see all the data of past students and the failed students. Now, if you want to highlight all the students that have failed the exams, select the full range of pass and fail, and then click on Home. Then click on Conditional Formatting. Then click on Highlight Cell Rules. Then click on Equal To and write the word Fail here. Now all the students who have failed the exams will be highlighted and easy to see. Now we need to find if the student is a local student from Mumbai, or if he is a non-local student. So for that, type if the city is equals to the word Mumbai. Then he is a local. Or if not, then he is a non-local student. Then press enter. Now you see the student Alice as a local student. Again, drag it down to see the data for all the students. Now let's find the adult students and the young students. So for that, we need to type if the age is lower than 21. Then he is young, else he is an adult. And enter. Now you see the student Alice is an adult student, and drag it down for the data of all students. So this was the function of the if function in Microsoft Excel. Make sure to subscribe if you want to learn all the formulas in a step-by-step easy process.